Good morning, everyone. Well, it's certainly looking like a stormy day in the Quad Cities, and unfortunately, there's a chance of severe storms as well. In fact, I already expect an initial round of showers and weak storms to start pushing in around 8 a.m. this morning. So I've got to mention scattered showers and storms for the morning commute. Looks like this initial round is going to work over us from about 8 a.m. this morning until 11 a.m. And yes, there's going to be some heavy rain and lightning around, but I'm not concerned about damaging wind or hail in this initial round. I don't see the chance for damaging wind or hail beginning until 11 a.m. And see at 11 a.m. those darker shades of red showing up around the Iowa City area. So beginning as early as 11 a.m., the possibility for some stronger storms to pop up in the Quad Cities as a cold front gets closer to us. But in the early afternoon, no cold front. So look at temperatures today. We're talking, I think, a lot of us getting into the low 70s, maybe some getting stuck in the upper 60s. And notice there's going to be activity around at 1 o'clock. And I've got to mention the chance for storms and possibly severe storms. If I had to pick the most likely time for severe storms, though, I think it's going to be as the cold front works over us, and that appears to be about 2, 3, 4 o'clock this afternoon. That's when it's looking the stormiest and the best chance for possibly seeing some damaging wind or hail. Now, I will say, as this cold front works over us, wind gusts 30, 35 miles per hour are going to be coming. It's just going to be flat out windy, but I am concerned that we're going to see some gusts stronger than that in the severe storms that do pop up. So this is 3 o'clock. But look, by 5 o'clock, just in time for the homebound commute, it looks like the cold front will be clear of us. So the chance of severe storms going away and the chance of rain going away by 5 o'clock. And look, we're on the cool side of the cold front now, so temperatures coming down. Already seen some upper 50s show up in spots, especially north and west of the Quad Cities. So to summarize, though already seeing showers and storms early this morning, the chance for severe storms looks like as early as 11 a.m. and possibly as late as 5 o'clock this afternoon, with a most likely time, again, probably looking at that window of 2, 3, 4 o'clock as the cold front works over us. And heavy rain, lightning are going to be common today. But what I'm concerned about is possibly seeing up to quarter-size hail and wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Looks like about an equal chance of seeing either. I tell you what, probably a decent chance that we're going to at least see gusts up to 50 miles per hour and up to dime-size hail. But I've got to leave in the chance for up to quarter-size hail and maybe gusts as strong as 60 miles per hour. And because we're talking about multiple rounds of rain, you know, most of us are probably going to end up seeing inch and a half of rain, which would not cause flooding. But I do think in a few spots, we could see up to 3 inches of rain. And where 3 inches of rain comes down, yes, that would lead to flooded roads. Now, the chance for an EF0 or EF1 tornado, which would mean winds as high as 100 miles per hour, the chance is very low, but technically not zero.